And there's a bunch down there too. Look, Ruby.
No, those are just things in the road.
No, it was like, oh, but they're not gonna go up, but they're still like sparklers.
You mean way down by the red light?
Yeah, see?
No, those are just things in the road. Those are like the best part of the road.
No, it's not.
I'm promising you.
No, it's like sparking.
Oh, way down there. I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Look, like stand here.
No, I see it. I thought you were talking about the thing that's just the road.
No, I was talking about like a sparkler.
We're on the 4th of July. It's now the 5th of July. It's like 12:09. You can't really see that. And we're stopped at 29th Street.
Big time.
Wrong.
Oh, there's a bunch coming.
Oh,
Here they come.
oh my God.
Is that little kid okay?
Yeah, I think they're alright.
Hello.
Hi.